Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a math trick, a multiplication table of 6. So let's start. First, draw two big number signs. Now write numbers 0 to 5 3 times here. And right here, put a 3. Now write the numbers 3, 4, and 5 here 3 times. And write a 6 right here. Now let's write the numbers 1 to 9 from bottom to top. And put a 0 right here. And do the same thing on the bottom numbers. And put another 0 right here. Now let's draw diamonds here. Let's draw another diamond shape here. Now let's write down the equations. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. Now let's go down here. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. And 10 times 6 is 60. Now let's review this. First, draw two number signs right here. Now write the numbers 0 to 2 3 times right here. And after the 3 2's, put a 3. Do the same thing here, but it's 3 to 5. And also put a 6 right here. The third step is to write the numbers 1 to 9 from bottom to top. Don't forget to put a 0 right next to the 3. Same thing on the bottom numbers. The fourth step is to draw diamond shapes in the middle. The last step is to write down the equations. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned from it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!